Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to the eastern part of Nigeria and we're going to be making Owerri. So let's get right into the So guys, for my ingredients, I have my dried prawns, I have my Ogiri Ope here. You can see what it looks like, but I'm just going to be using one. I have my smoked fish, my dried fish, I have my crayfish, I have my cow skin, and I also have my cocoa yam as well. I'm also going to be adding some stockfish to my soup and also some Pwerinkles. I have my Ukazi leaf here and my Pwerinkles by the side as well. Also, I'm going to be adding a little bit of Ugwu leaf. I've chopped that, so this is it. So guys, this is what my Ogiri Ope looks like. You can either melt it with water or you just simply put it into the soup just like that. So let's get right into cooking. Now I'm just going to cook, put my meat and my cow skin, add some onion and season slightly. I'm just going to season slightly with some seasoning cube and a little bit of salt. So I'm just going to cover this and let it steam for a bit before I add some water to help in cooking the meat. So I'll just stir this now and I will cover it and let it steam for a little bit. So guys, my meat has been steaming for about 10 minutes now, so I'm just going to stir it briefly. You can see it has extracted its own juice, so now I'll just add some more water to help in the cooking process of the meat. So guys, our meat has been cooking for 10 minutes now. I will just add, I'll just stir this and then I will add my dry fish and my stockfish and cover it up and let it continue cooking until when I'm about to start the soup. So I just added my stockfish and my dry fish and I'll just cover this up and let it cook for a bit. So while my meat is cooking, I'm just going to cook my cocoyam. I'm just going to cook it until it's soft. Now my cocoyam is soft. I'm just going to put it into mortar and pound it until it is smooth. So I'm just going to pound this very well until I get until it's really smooth and seedless. Anyways. So yeah, let's just pound. So guys, this is the consistency I'm actually going for. So now I'm going to add my dried prawn into the pot of assorted beef, cow skin and Bonnet. I'm also adding my Pwerinkles now as well. Yeah, so I'm just going to add my Pwerinkle. I will stir it up and cover it and let it cook for about 3 minutes before we start cooking our soup. So now at some point I turned down the heat and added some water. So now I'm just adding some palm oil. I'm going to add my Ogiri Ope now. I will also add some blended Scotch bonnet pepper. I love to use fresh pepper for my soup. So I'm just going to stir that, and I will cover it up and let it come to a boil. My soup has come to a boil now, so I'm just going to add some crayfish. I'm using a lot of crayfish. I love crayfish in my soup, guys. I'm adding my seasoning cube as well, and I will stir this together, stir it properly. After that, I will then introduce the pounded cocoyam. You could either pound your cocoyam or you can either blend it using your blender. Anyways, so yeah, I'm just going to add my pounded / blended cocoyam. So once I do that, once I'm done, I will just cover it up and let it cook properly before I introduce the vegetables to the soup. My soup has been cooking for about 6 minutes now. I'm just going to stir this, right? And it's thickening up now. So I'm just going to add some Cameroon pepper to it. Like, I love my soup a little bit spicy. So I'm just going to add a little bit of Cameroon pepper, stir this up before I introduce the chopped Ukazi leaf. Now I'm adding my Ukazi leaf, and I'm adding just a handful. I'm not adding much because Ukazi can be bitter at times. So I'll just stir that in, and then I will introduce my Ugwu leaf. For the Ugwu leaf, you can add as much as you want if you love vegetables in your soup. So, but for me, I'm just going to add a little, like 1 hand of it, and I'm just going to stir this, and I'll let it cook. And yeah, our soup is ready. Our Owerri soup is ready. You can eat it with your pounded yam, your fufu, whatever you choose to want to eat the soup with, except rice or yam or anything. But any swallow of your choice, you can eat it with that. So guys, thank you so much for watching my videos. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Leave a comment down below. Share this video with your friends and family, and hit the thumbs up button, guys. I would love to see you recreate this recipe and share it with me. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next one. Bye, guys.